The Recipe Room. Hello and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make sushi rolls like a pro. Sushi is a delicious and healthy Japanese dish that is enjoyed all over the world. With a few simple ingredients and some practice, you can make amazing sushi rolls in the comfort of your own home. So, let's get started. Ingredients. For the sushi rice. 2 cups of sushi rice. 2½ cups of water. 1/4 cup of rice vinegar. 2 tablespoons of sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. For the sushi rolls. Nori sheets. Sushi fillings of your choice, such as cucumber, avocado, crab meat, and smoked salmon. Soy sauce. Wasabi. Pickled ginger. Instructions. Rinse the sushi rice in cold water until the water runs clear. In a large saucepan, combine the rice and water and bring to a boil over high heat. Reduce the heat to low, cover the saucepan, and simmer for 18-20 minutes or until the rice is cooked and tender. In a small saucepan, heat the rice vinegar, sugar, and salt over low heat until the sugar and salt are dissolved. Transfer the cooked rice to a large mixing bowl and add the rice vinegar mixture. Mix well. Cover the bowl with a damp cloth and let the rice cool to room temperature. Prepare your sushi fillings by slicing them into thin strips or small pieces. Lay a sheet of nori on a sushi mat or a clean kitchen towel, shiny side down. Wet your hands with water and grab a handful of sushi rice. Spread the rice evenly over the nori, leaving a 1-inch border at the top edge. Arrange your desired fillings in a line along the center of the rice. Lift the bottom edge of the sushi mat or kitchen towel and roll it over the fillings, pressing gently to make a tight roll. Continue rolling the sushi until the top edge of the nori is reached. Moisten the top border of the nori with water and press to seal the roll. Use a sharp knife to slice the sushi rolls into pieces. Serve the sushi with soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger. Congratulations, you've made your own delicious sushi rolls. With some practice, you'll be able to make perfect sushi every time. I hope this video was helpful, and if you enjoyed it, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching.